I'm going to show you how you can use scheduled tasks and AI employees to plan and publish social media posts automatically. Let's get started. First, head over to the Integrations section. Here you can connect your social and communication platforms. As you can see, I've already connected my Gmail account. Now, let's search for X, formerly Twitter, and connect it. You'll need to select an authorizer, then connect it to your personal profile. Once authorized, the connection is complete. Next, go to the Tasks section and open Schedule. At the moment, there are no scheduled posts, so let's create our first one. Click Generate with AI and start creating a post. Here you can choose the tone, engaging, professional, or casual. You can also select a more human-like or story-style approach, depending on your brand voice. Once you're ready, click Generate. As you can see, the post is generated. You can easily edit it, regenerate it, or fine-tune the content before publishing. You can also add an image by pasting a URL or generating one directly using our AI. Now, choose where you want to publish. You can select multiple channels, and the post will be scheduled across all of them at once. In this case, Twitter is already connected. Next, set the schedule. You can choose a specific date and time, add hashtags if needed. You can manually add them or use AI-generated hashtag suggestions. You can also include a link. This step is optional. Once everything is set, click Schedule. As you can see, the post is now scheduled. If you want to publish immediately, you can use the Post Now option. Let's try that. The post has now been published successfully on X. You can verify it directly on your profile. Here it is, posted just moments ago. This clearly shows how you can connect your social channels, assign tasks to AI employees, and automate your content scheduling with ease. You can also train our AI using your own data and brand knowledge, allowing it to create more accurate, structured, and on-brand content for your business. Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing more videos on how SweetPilot makes a real impact in everyday workflows.